In Nigeria, we call it Puffpuff, but across West Africa, it goes by different names. In Ghana, it's called Bofrot or Tobe. In Cameroon, they say Beignet. In Congo, it's Mikate. Say my dear, sweet deep fried dough. Soft inside, golden outside. Some versions are spicy, while some are filled. But the base is the same, comforting and easy to make. For mine, I use 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 160 grams of sugar, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of instant yeast, a pinch of salt and some nutmeg. You will also need about 2 cups of warm water. Mix the dry ingredients in a bowl. Then slowly add the warm water, stir it until it forms smooth stretchy batter. It should be thick but pourable. Cover the bowl with a cloth or a clean film and let it sit in a warm place for 45 minutes to an hour. When it's ready, the batter should be bubbling and doubled in size. Heat up oil over medium heat in a deep pot. Check on the batter and it has doubled in size. Beat it slightly to deflate it. When the oil is hot, scoop small amounts and drop them in. Fry until golden brown, then flip them as they fry.
Rise and fall like a heartbeat drop. Dancing shadows, the rhythm's tight. Lost in a pulse of electric night. A neon halo crowns your head. The pavement.
Remove and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Serve warm and enjoy. You can either serve it plain or dust it with powdered sugar. Some dip it in spicy sauce, others serve it sweet. Whether you call it Puffpuff, Bofrot, Beignet or Mikate, it's a recipe worth knowing and even better when you make it yourself.